Hello everyone, I am Kashika Rana from class 6B and today I am going to be sharing 5 experiments from which we will learn the 5 properties of a magnet. So let's begin. So the first property is a magnet attracts magnetic substances. First, let me tell you what are magnetic substances and non-magnetic substances. Magnetic substances are those that are attracted by a magnet, while non-magnetic substances are those that are not attracted by a magnet. So, the examples for a magnetic substances are iron, nickel and cobalt. And for the example for non-magnetic substances are plastic, wood, etc. Now, for the first one, we will take one magnet, scale and a compass. So, I will try to stick the magnet with the compass. And then, I'll do the same with the scale. But it's not sticking. This means plastic is non-magnetic substances. And that's why it cannot be attracted by a magnet, which completely tells that the statement is true. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is a freely suspended magnet always rests in north to south direction. For this experiment, we will be needing a thread, one magnet and a scale. To start with, we will take a magnet and tie it with the thread. So we are ready. Now we will take a scale and tie it from the top. So now I'm done with all the steps. Now what I'm going to do is keep my scale like this and add weight on the top so that it doesn't fall. In the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys that what will happen. Will this change its direction into north or south? Yes, it will. And let's see what will happen. Till the time, let's start with the third property. So the next one is the magnetic pull or the magnetic influence is stronger near the ends. So now for this experiment, you will take iron powder and this magnet. So because I don't have iron powder, I'm going to show you how you have to do it. So what you have to do is take a magnet, roll the magnet in the iron powder and when it's done, you will see that the iron powder is sticking more at the ends of a magnet while on the magnet. So this tells us that it is stronger near the ends of a magnet. Let's move on to the fourth one. So in the fourth one, what I'm going to do is take two magnets. And the fourth one is poles exist in pairs. This particularly means that if you cut a magnet or break it into a small atom-sized piece, then also it will have two poles, north and south. Now let's move on to the fifth one. The fifth one is unlike poles attract, unlike poles repel. So for the fifth one, you will take two magnets. Now you will try to attract the magnets. At some point they will stick, while at the other point they will not. Like if you do it, it will. But when I'm doing it right now, it's not sticking. This means that the poles are same. It could have been the south or south, or it could have been the north or north. But when I see that they're sticking together like this means that they are north and south or south and north, which means that unlike poles that are north and south, south or north, attract, while like poles, south and south, north and north repels, as we saw. So this is the end of this video. But before I end this video, let's see what happened here. Over here, you can see that its direction is north and south from my side. That means its direction will always point at north and south. That is the end of this video. So, bye and thank you.